Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Elantra battery, updated. Park on level ground, set the parking brake, open the hood, and wear safety gloves and eye protection. First, disconnect the negative terminal, then the positive, remove hold down clamp, and lift the battery straight out. Keep terminals from touching metal and store battery upright. Reinstall new battery by reversing steps and ensure secure connections and proper torque on clamps. I'll walk you through the tools, safety steps, and quick checks before you touch the battery. Gather a 10 mm wrench, battery terminal puller, gloves, and safety glasses, and keep baking soda and water ready for acid neutralization. Ensure the key is out, touchscreen is off, and windows are up to avoid electrical issues. Label cable positions if needed, and double-check for corrosion that might need cleaning before reinstallation and testing. Quick recommendation: if you like a hands-free helper in the garage, try the Echo Dot smart speaker for music and timers. Subscribe and like if you are finding the video helpful. It fits small spaces, offers clear voice responses, and helps set countdowns while you change the battery. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now I'll guide you through each removal step in order with clear actions and timing. Open the hood, locate battery, remove plastic cover if present, loosen negative 10 mm nut, and disconnect negative cable first, then loosen positive and move cables aside. Remove clamp or bracket bolts, lift battery straight up using both hands, and place on a protected surface. Inspect tray for corrosion and clean before installing the new battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.